Good morning, student. Welcome again to Urban International School. How are you? I hope you are fine. Be safe at home. So, student, in the previous video, we have completed the second part of the worksheet. Have you wrote in your EVS notebook? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Very good. You all are good student. I know. And learn that questions properly, okay, and write it again with the neat and clean writing and without spelling mistake. So student, we have completed question number first, second, third, and now question and answers are going on. In that question answers, first and second question we have seen. Now we are going to start question number third in that part. So this is a video third of the worksheet. Okay. So let's start the reading. Question number third. In the table, some of the work done in your house has been mentioned. Find who does them in your house and who does them in your friend's house. You can add some other work to the list also. So here, what you have to do? Here a chart is given. In that some household work list is we can see. But here work is given just like cooking food, buying things from the market, sweeping, cleaning the utensils, filling water. Okay. So this all the work who did in your house and who going to do in your friend's house. So like this you have to complete this given chart. So see, first answer is work does the work. Who does the work? First one, work. Cooking food. Cooking food is there. So here in our house, in your house, your mother is doing this work, and your friend's house also his or her mother doing the same. Buying things from the market, this work is done by mother and father both, and your friend's house also their mother and father doing the same work. Sweeping work in our home, my mother is doing sweeping work, and in my friend's house mother and sister both are doing the same. Cleaning the utensil, most important work in our home. In my home, mother is doing this work, and in my friend's home, his or her sister is doing the same one. Okay. Now the next, filling water. Filling water in my home, this work I will do myself, and in my friend's house his or her father doing the same. Reading, sometimes every day or sometimes some papers are came in our home. So who is going to read that paper? In my home, father and self. Self means myself. I am doing the same work. And my friend's house, father, his father and my friend, he is doing the same work. Okay. Now playing, the most important work in our everyday life. We all are children, so we want to play with our friends. So who is playing in our home? Self. Self means me, I. I am playing, and in my friend's house my friend is playing with me. Okay. So these are the table. So you have to complete this table in your textbook also and write in your notebook also. Understood, students? See the next question. What kind of, question number 4, what kind of work are people doing in both the families present in lesson? So how many families are present in the lesson? 2 families. Which one? Venu's family and Rani's family. Both are girls. So what is the difference in that both? First one, mother in Venu's family is cooking food and father is cleaning the floor. And in Rani's family, only mother is alone is cooking food. Not any other family member is helping her. Then second difference is there. Mother, father and Venu are eating food. In that family, all the members are eating together. And in Rani's family, Rani is serving food to her father and brother. Third one, Venu's mother and father are reading newspaper and Venu is driving bicycle. And here in Rani's family, Rani and her mother are doing the work. Rani and her mother are working. Rani and her mother are working. So word working you have to write here. Understood? These are the difference in that both the families. Okay. So here Rani and her mother are working. तो लास्ट में आपको क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे working, WORKING, working. Okay. The next question number 5. The names of some food items are given below. Draw a circle around that items that we get from plants. Draw a dotted circle around that items that we get from animals. Very easy question. What we are going to see in that question? Some food items we are getting from plants and some we are getting from animals. Those food items we are getting from plants, we have to circle them. And those items we are getting from animals, we have to do dotted circle. So we can easily understood about that food items. Okay. See. Honey. Honey we are getting from animals. So here we have to do dotted circle. Turmeric we are getting from plants. So here we have to do only circle. Again fish we are getting from animals. That fish is a animal. So here dotted circle I have done. And rice is a plant giving us. We are getting from plant. So here only circle. The next one corn. Corn is we are getting from plants. Lemon, cabbage we are getting from plants. So here only circle we have to do. But milk we are getting from animals. So we have to do here dotted circle. Understood? See the next. Spinach. Spinach means, can you tell me the meaning of spinach? Yes, पालक. पालक की सब्जी खाते हो ना आप? पालक कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? प्लांट से मिलता है. पोटैटो, अजवाइन and chili. Here all these four are we are getting from plants. So we have to do only circle. अगर कोई चीज़ हमें एनिमल से मिलती है तो हमें क्या करना है? ऐसे डॉटेड सर्कल उसके नेम के अराउंड बनाना है. अंडरस्टूड? द नेक्स्ट वन एग. Egg, meat and cheese. These three, 1, 2 and these three food items we are getting from animals. So here we done dotted circle. Okay. And banana we are getting from plants. So only circle we have to do, not a dotted circle. In your notebook also you have to do the same one. If the food we are getting from animals, you have to do the dotted circle, and the foods we are getting from plants, you have to do complete circle. Okay? In your textbook also, you have to complete these all the answers. The next question, sixth one, choose the correct basket from each them, draw a line to match. See here, we have to match the pair. But what here given? Here given 4 pots, just like first flowers, leaves, fruits and any other part of a plant. 4 baskets are given, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What you have to do? You have to see what are the things are given in a circle, just like carrot, ginger, flowers of kachnar, amla, mango, jackfruit, French beans, mustard, spinach, gram, lotus stem, curry leaves, cauliflower, banana, potato, radish. These are the some food things we are getting from plants. So in this 4 basket, what you have to do? You have to match the pair. Okay. If the flowers are given, so you can match with the flowers. If the leaves are just like spinach are the leaves of the plants, so you can match with that pot or that basket. Understood? These are some food items are given, or if the remaining food items are there, remaining food things are there that are not in fruits, flowers and leaves, so that we are मैचिंग विथ द एनी अदर पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लांट. तो वहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? एनी अदर पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट को उस फूड आइटम से मैच करवाना है. अंडरस्टूड? सी द आंसर. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, सी माई आंसर. So my answer is like this only. Flowers of kachnar. Carrot are the any other part of the plant. Lotus stem is any other part of the plant. Like this you have to match with that particular basket. If mango, amla, jackfruit, banana, these are the fruits, तो आपको क्या करना है? फ्रूट से इसे मैच द पेयर करना है. बट डू इट वेरी प्रॉपरली बिकॉज ऑल द फूड थिंग्स आर नियर. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर स्केल एंड पेंसिल you have to match the properly all the food things with that proper basket. Understood? Lotus stems, curry leaves, potato, mustard, these all are the any other part of the plant. Here also in ginger, flowers means only cauliflower and flowers of kachnar. These are the 2 flowers are there, and remaining are fruits and leaves are spinach. Okay, curry leaves, these are the 2 leaves, and remaining all are the any other part of the plant. Like this you have to complete in your textbook and your notebook also. Understood about it? Here we have completed our worksheet of lesson number 14, the story of food. You have to write it very properly and learn that all the question answers. If you have any query, any question, please contact me. Till then, thank you.